Welcome to Tuvi Rentals. In this video, we'll guide you through how to add movies to your shopping cart or queue and how to complete your order. Let's dive in. First, sign into your Tuvi Rentals account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Movies or Shows page to explore our extensive collection. Browse for our selection of 4K Ultra HD, Blu-rays and TV shows. You can explore by filtering video format, sound technology and dynamic range, genre, MPAA rating, release decade, and even by your favorite boutique labels. When you find a movie or show that you're interested in, you have two options. Add it directly to your shopping cart for immediate checkout, or add it to your queue to watch later. To add a movie directly to your cart, click Add to Cart. Now, if you want to save it for later, click Add to Queue. The queue helps you prioritize what you'd like to watch next. Your queue allows you to manage and organize your selections. When you're ready to watch something, you can easily move it from your queue to your cart. Ready to place an order? Review your selected movies in the shopping cart. Here you can choose to upgrade to USPS Priority Mail for faster delivery. Update your shipping address or add special instructions in the notes section. Once you've made your selections, confirm your shipping details and proceed to checkout. After confirming everything, click Complete Order. Your movies will be shipped shortly and you'll receive a confirmation email with all the details. Remember, you can always manage your subscription, update your queue, or check your order status in the My Account section. Tuvi Rentals makes it easy to enjoy the movies and shows that you love right at home. Thanks for choosing Tuvi Rentals. Dive into the world of cinema at your convenience. For more tips and support, visit us at tuvirentals.com. We hope this guide helps you navigate Tuvi Rentals with ease. Enjoy your movie nights.